Monument.Sunset crater is a cinder cone located north of Flagstaff in U.S.State of Arizona. The crater is within the Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. Sunset Crater is the youngest in a string of volcanoes that is related to the nearby San Francisco peaks. The date of the eruptions that formed the 340-meter-high cone was initially derived from tree ring dates, suggesting the eruption began between the growing seasons of A.D. 1064 to 1065. However, more recent geologic and archaeological evidence places the eruption around A.D. 1085. The largest vent of the eruption, Sunset Crater itself, was the source of the Bonito and Canara lava flows that extended about 2.5 kilometers NW and 9.6 kilometers NE, respectively. Additional vents along a 10-kilometer-long fissure-extending shape produced small spatter ramparts and a 6.4-kilometer-long lava flow to the east. The Sunset Crater eruption produced a blanket of ash and lapilli covering an area of more than 2,100 square kilometers and forced the temporary abandonment of settlements of the local Sinagua people. The volcano has partially revegetated, with pines and wildflowers. The crater is the namesake for the Sunset Crater beer tongue. Since the last eruption of the volcano is a recent occurrence, it is considered dormant by volcanologists. Damage from hikers forced the National Park Service to close a trail leading to the crater, but a short trail at the base remains. The hiking trail below the summit skirts the substantial Bonito lava flow. This hardened lava is black and appears fresh as it has devastated the forest in its path. The lava flow also created an ice cave tube that is now closed to the public after a partial collapse. 2015 eruption scare. On June 5, 2015, a website with satellite images reported steam rising from the crater, leading to fears that Sunset Crater was erupting. The cause of the steam was later determined to be a forest fire, and geologists stated that the volcano was extinct. Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument is a U.S. national monument in the north-central part of the U.S. state of Arizona, created to protect Sunset Crater, a cinder cone within the San Francisco volcanic field. The monument is managed by the National Park Service in close conjunction with nearby Wupatki National Monument. In 1928, a Hollywood film company, Famous Players Lasky Corporation, planned to detonate large quantities of explosives on the side of Sunset Crater in order to create an avalanche phase-aimed Gray's motion picture, Avalanche. Public outcry over this plan led in part to the proclamation of Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument by President Herbert Hoover in 1930. A 1-mile, self-guided loop trail is located at the base of Sunset Crater, but hiking to the summit is not permitted. A trail providing access to the summit and crater was closed in 1973 because of excessive erosion caused by hikers. A visitor center is located near the park entrance 15 miles north of Flagstaff, Arizona, along U.S. Highway 89. In popular culture, in James Rollins's Seventh Sigma Force novel The Devil Colony, painter Crow takes a contingent to explore Sunset Crater and the Wupatki National Monument. During the course of the preparations and explorations, the group discusses the history of the people and geology at the two sites.